What do you really think happens when you sit all day? The news is not good. Right now, you're sitting there watching this. Layers of tissue inside your body are literally gluing themselves together. It's happening to office workers, drivers, gamers, anyone who sits more than 4 hours a day. I'm Dr. Michael Gartner, double board certified plastic surgeon and physician. I'm about to show you what's actually happening inside your body and why you wake up stiff every morning, and the 4-minute protocol that can undo years of damage. What I'm going to show you will completely change how you think about stiffness and pain. There's a tissue in your body called fascia. Imagine shrink wrap covering every muscle, every organ, every nerve in your body. It's all one continuous piece from head to toe, completely connected. Until recently, medical schools barely mention it. Doctors thought it was just packing material, something you cut through during surgery and throw away. They were wrong. Here's where it gets really interesting. Researchers were actually studying acupuncture, and they made a bizarre discovery. As they inserted the needles into the skin, something seemed to be grabbing and pulling at them. They found that the fibers of this tissue were actually winding themselves around the needle like a spaghetti and a fork. What's more, the cells inside sent out signals to the surrounding tissues several inches away. This proved that fascia isn't just dead packing material. It's alive and responsive. And here's the kicker. It has more nerve endings than your skin. This is why back pain is so intense. You're not just hurting muscles. You're irritating a massive nerve network that's screaming at you. When your fascia is healthy, the layers glide smoothly over each other, like a well-oiled machine. But when your fascia is damaged, the layers stick together like glue. Everything gets restricted. This is what's happening inside you right now if you sit all day. Your body is adapting to literally gluing you into the sitting position. Research found that just 2 hours of sitting, that sticky glue process begins. 2 hours, your hip flexors stay shortened. Your chest and your shoulders round forward. Your body starts laying down this biological glue, stabilizing you in this hunched position. Then you get stuck in a vicious cycle. You sit and everything stiffens up. Movements become painful, so you avoid moving. You move less. The real-world consequences are everywhere. Lower back pain from tight muscles pulling on your spine, neck pain and headaches. You can't bend, you can't twist, you can't reach like you used to. You've lost your range of motion. Your circulation gets worse because everything gets compressed. You can't take deep breaths anymore because your chest is so tight. When I broke my leg, I had a cast on for just 3 weeks. And then when they took it off, my ankle was completely frozen. My body had to adapt to that immobilized position. I had to work for weeks to break up that restriction and get it moving again. If I had just left it, it would have stayed frozen in that position forever. People say, I'm just getting old. No, your body is adapting to how you use it. Change how you move and you change your body. Here's what actually works to reverse this. Research shows that stretching stimulates the cells that remodel your tissue. But here's the critical part. You have to hold stretches for at least 30 seconds. Those quick 10-second stretches you learn in the gym, they don't work. And in fact, bouncing while you stretch triggers a protective reflex that makes them even tighter. Aggressive foam rolling can cause more damage than good. Your body also responds best to three-dimensional movement, not just forward and back, but twisting, side, and bending. This is why yoga works so well. It moves you in all directions, and warming up matters. Heat makes your tissues more pliable and easier to stretch. This is why a hot shower before stretching feels so good and works so well. Stretching cold tissue can actually cause injury. Here's your protocol. It takes 4 minutes total. I do this every single night. It reverses my chronic back pain and I sleep better than I have in years. Let me show you exactly what to do. The first stretch is the full body opener. Hold a resistance band or a towel behind your back with your arms straight. If you don't have a band, a belt, or even a t-shirt works. Step into a lunge position with 1 foot forward. Pull the band apart and lift your chest upward to the ceiling. Look up. Press your hips forward. This is the exact opposite position from sitting. You're opening everything that was compressed and hunched for hours. Hold it for 60 seconds, then switch your legs and do the other side. The second stretch opens up your entire side of your body. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Reach above both arms straight up overhead. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Now pull your left arm to the right, creating a deep side bend. Let your hips shift to the left to counterbalance. You should feel this stretch from your ankle all the way outside of your thigh, through your waist, into your ribs and shoulder. Most people never stretch sideways. We only move forward and back in daily life. Hold it for 45 seconds, then switch sides and pull in the other direction. The third stretch targets the deepest hip muscle in your body. Get into a low lunge position with your back knee on the ground. Put a pillow or cushion underneath your knee if you need it. Your front leg should be bent at about 90 degrees. Now here's the key. Squeeze the butt cheek of your back leg. Tuck your pelvis slightly under like you're trying to tuck your tailbone between your legs. Keep your torso upright and slowly shift your weight forward. You should feel a deep, intense stretch in the front of your hip and on the back leg side. This muscle connects your spine to your legs when it's tight. It tilts your pelvis and causes massive lower back pain. This stretch is the fix. Hold for 60 seconds on each side. The fourth stretch unwinds your entire spine and core. Start in a kneeling position on the ground. Place your right hand behind your head. Your left hand stays on the ground for balance. Here's the most important part. Keep your hips facing forward. Don't let them rotate at all. Now rotate your upper body to the right. Follow your elbow with your eyes. You should feel a wringing out sensation. Hold for 45 seconds, then switch sides. That's it. 4 stretches, 4 minutes total. Do this every single night and your body will transform. Now, let me give you some habits that will make this even more effective. Stand up and move every 30 minutes during the day. Even just walking to the bathroom breaks up that glue before it becomes permanent. Set reminders on your phone if you have to. Your body wasn't designed to be motionless for hours at a time. Drink more water. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces of water every day. Take a warm shower before you stretch. Heat makes your tissues more pliable. A hot bath or sauna works great too. You'll get much deeper stretches when your tissue is warm. And clean up your diet. High sugar intake literally makes your connective tissue stiff and brittle. Eat more protein to support tissue repair. Get your omega-3s to reduce inflammation. The better you eat, the faster your body heals. Let's talk about what to expect. In the first week or two, you might actually feel a little sore. That's completely normal. You're breaking up tissue that's been stuck for years. You'll start to notice you can move a bit easier. By week 3 to 4, you'll have real pain reduction. Getting out of bed becomes easier. Getting out of your chair doesn't hurt anymore. By week 6 to 8, you'll have major improvements. Your posture will be better without you even thinking about it. And by month 3, you'll have lasting results. Your tissue will have actually remodeled itself. Be patient, but stay consistent. Now, warning sign you need to know. If you feel sharp shooting pain during these stretches, stop. If you get numbness or tingling, that's not normal. If your pain is getting worse after 2 weeks of doing this correctly, you need to see someone. If you suddenly lose range of motion, get it checked out. Sometimes you need professional help. Physical therapists and body workers can do amazing things to break up severe restrictions that have been there for years. Drop a comment and tell me where your worst stiffness is. Hit the like button so more people can see this. You're not stuck with the body you have right now. You can change it. It just takes 4 minutes a day and consistency. You've got this. Here's to looking better and living longer.